Hello everyone. Assignment submit in the short term course on e-content organized by HRDC Gujarat University. Myself, Sharanabasappa CV, Assistant Professor in Economics, Department of Economics, Sri Gavsiddeshwara Arts Science Commerce College, Koppal, Karnataka. For this assignment, I have selected the inflation. Particularly, inflation is a burning issue in all the world. Therefore, I have selected the inflation for the assignment. In my assignment, I want to cover all these points: introduction, meaning of inflation, types of inflation, causes for the inflation, effects of inflation, controlling measures of the inflation. In the introduction part, inflation is a common phenomena in the all over the world, whether it is a developing country or underdeveloped country or developed country, all are experiencing the inflation. The economist suggest that inflation is a purely monetary phenomena, but in the definitions we come across a different views of the different economists. The first one, the meaning of inflation, according to the Johnson, defines inflation as a sustained rise in the price. According to the Bromer, defines it is the continuous increase in the general price level. Both definition explains the inflation is a continuous and constant increase in the price level. In the same way, the other definitions like Shapiro, he also defines the persistence and appreciable rise in the general level of price is called inflation. According to the Colburn, it is the popular definition. According to the Colburn, that too much money is chasing too few goods. It means the supply of money is more than the supply of the goods. Therefore, inflation occurs in the different countries. And the next, all these definition we come across, the inflation is the continuous increase in the price level. Here there is a gap between the supply of money and the supply of the products. Therefore, inflation, types of the inflation. There are so many types of the inflation. For example, on the basis of the speed of the increase in the price level, for example, creeping inflation, walking inflation, running inflation, and galloping inflation. And next, on the basis of the spread of the inflation area, for example, open inflation and suppressed inflation. And next, on the basis of the time, wartime inflation, peacetime inflation, and after the war inflation. In the same way, some economists classified the inflation on the basis of a cause. For example, deficit induced inflation, profit push inflation, and demand pull inflation. Cost push inflation is also the main type of the inflation in these days. All these types of inflation occurs in different countries in different time. For example, one or two I want to explain the types of inflation. Creeping inflation is the inflation which is based on the increasing rate of price level in the society. For example, creeping inflation is the slower rate of increase in the price level. It is a small, or it is a snail creeper, or it is the for example, annual increase of the price is less than 3%. And another is walking inflation. It is the increasing rate of walking inflation is more than creeping inflation. It is the increasing rate of range between 3 to 6% per annum. And it is really the controllable inflation. The government can control these two type of inflation easily. But other two type of inflation is running inflation. It is running inflation is here the inflation or the prices are increasing rapidly and running like a hours. It is more than increasing rate is 10 to 20 percentage per annum. It is a really uncontrollable price rise, and government is follow the monetary and physical measures, otherwise it leads to the hyperinflation. Hyperinflation means it is the galloping inflation. Here the price rise will double or treble digit rates from more than 20 to 100 percentage per annum, and it is usually called runaway or galloping inflation. It is really the dangerous to the economy. Hyperinflation damage or it collapse the whole economy if we are not able to control properly. These are the main types of the inflation, and other types of the inflation are based on different criteria, but in these four types of inflation based on the increasing rate of price in annum or in annual. Thank you very much.